Hey everyone, how are you? Uh, I hope you are all having a wonderful day. Let's start without wasting time. So, friend, today I am talking about uh, how to speak English. So, first, I am telling you this is a tense chart. You look on my phone screen. So, first, today I am teach you present tense. In present tense, first simple present tense. You use also in uh, your activity, your hobbies, your abilities. Example, I I play cricket. He plays. You also use es because your subject is singular. Then first your subject is singular. You use es. They play cricket. They play cricket. Uh, you know what it come because they is plural, not a singular. Singular he she. You use in he she. He plays cricket. She plays cricket. She dance. She sing a song. She sings a songs. Uh, many example you have. You have you try. And second, continuous present continuous. In present continuous, first is mr plus verb for form. You don't use verb for form plus ing. This is a headache in mind. First example, I I am I plus M playing cricket. Simple concept. You use verb for form. I am. We are. They are. I always with I always am. To use with I am. Example, I am playing cricket. She playing cricket. They are coming tomorrow. No, sorry. Tomorrow is for future tense. They will. They sorry. She playing cricket. She dancing. She singing. She uh, playing guitar. Uh, many more examples. Third, perfect tense. Has, have, plus verb form. You also use any tense in perfect. Use verb form. Example, I have. First I tell you. You know verb form. Example, go, went, gone. Go, went, gone. Uh, and your example of present tense. I goes. I goes. Sorry, I have gone to the cricket ground. I have goes to the cricket ground. Has. She she has. Uh, example by she brought uh, a luxurious purse. I have uh, I have a baked baked uh, cake. Much more example. And last, perfect continuous. You use always imperfect. Example, you telling us I will come 2 minutes. That's you use I have been come in 2 minutes. Use also verb I has have been plus verb for come plus object. Example, I have been coming 2 minutes. Uh, this is some example. You try to try at your notebook. Then you realize English simple but knows only two rules. So meet tomorrow's blog. I will meet in your. I will be meet in tomorrow blog. Bye.